வேதாந்த தேசிக யதீந்திர கடாட்ச லப்த த்ரையந்தசார மனவத்ய குணாம்புதாக்கியம் நாராயணாத்ய இந்திரிய கிருபாபிக்ஷிப்தம் ஸ்ரீ ரங்கநாத யதிசேகரம் ஆஸ்ரயாமக. Yesterday we did up to 9th skandam. In the last before ending, Sugabrahmam had said about Krishna Leela in just one line. Then that is when Parikshit said, I want to know more. விஸ்தாரமா சொல்லுங்க கிருஷ்ண கதையன்னு சொல்றச்சே இன்னைக்கு கிருஷ்ண கதையை ஆரம்பிக்கிறார். மாசானாம் மார்க சீருஷோகம். The entire month of Margari is Krishna. ஸ்ரீமத் பாகவதாக்கியோயம் பிரத்யக்ஷம் கிருஷ்ண ஏவகி. ஸ்ரீமத் பாகவதம் சாட்சாத் பகவான் கிருஷ்ணன். அப்பேற்பட்ட கிருஷ்ண கதையை நம்ம ஆண்டாள் எல்லாரும் பாட்டிருக்கா. ஏராந்த கண்ணி யசோதை இளஞ்சிங்கம் கூர்வேல் கொடுந்துடிலன் நந்தகோபன் குமரன். அப்பேற்பட்ட மாயனை, அந்த மண்ணு வடவதரை மைந்தனை, அந்த மாலே மணிவண்ணனை, அவனோட கதையை இன்னைக்கு பார்ப்போம். சத்யமிரதம் சத்யபரம் திருசத்யம் சத்யஸ்ய யோனிம் நிகிதம் சத்யே சத்யஸ்ய சத்யம் திருதசத்ய நேத்ரம் சத்யாத்மகம் துவாம் சரணம் பிரபன்னாம். When Devaki has conceived Krishna, this is what the slogam, the Garbhastuti was sung by Deva. Brahmadi Devargallam வந்து Garbhastuti பாடுறா. கர்ப்பஸ்துதி பாடுறவனே பகவான் தம் அற்புதம் பாலகம் அம்புஜேக்ஷணம்னு கிருஷ்ணாவதாரம். உடனே வசுதேவரும் கிருஷ்ணனும் பார்த்துட்டு, கிருஷ்ணா, you have to hide this ஸ்வரூபம். You cannot be like Lord Narayana or Mahavishnu. You have to be like a மானுட குழந்தையாயிடு. தயவுசெய்து சின்ன குழந்தையாயிடு. Otherwise Kamsa will find out. So immediately he will take his குழந்தை ஸ்வரூபம். Then he will tell Vasudevan, என்னை கொண்டு போய் கோகுலத்துல விட்டுட்டு கோகுலத்துல இருக்கிற யோகமாயை அழிச்சுன்னு வந்து இங்க விட்டுட்டு, please drop me at Gokulam and bring the Yogamaya here. So that is when the Vasudevar goes to Gokulam and bring Yogamaya to and gives it to Kamsa. That we know that part of it. The moment the Yogamaya was given to Kamsa, then Yogamaya disappears from his hand as an asariya. It says the child who is going to kill you, உன்னை கொல்ல போகின்றவன் கோகுலத்திலே வளர்கின்றான். He is living somewhere in Gokulam. சொல்லிட்டு the Yogamaya will disappear. Then that is when he comes and calls his assembly of ministers. Then they all suggest they shall dispatch one by one. Then they will dispatch all Asuras. First Bhutana Pova, Bhutanaki Moksham. The entire Dasamaskandam is 90 chapters. It is a challenge to finish in 20 minutes. Pardon me, I will try to cover the highlights. So, let me say it quickly and then come back and see what details we can see. Bhudana Moksham, Sagadasura Panjaram, Trinavardapadam, Navanida Choryam, Vrindavana Gocharanam, Brahmamohanam, Kalinganardanam, Boduganam, Govardhana Uddharanam, Rasakride, Akruragamanam, Kamsavadam, Uddhava Sandesham. This is just Purvardam. உத்தரார்த்தத்துல வந்து ருக்மிணி முதலிய அஷ்ட மகிழ்ச்சிகள் 8 மகிழ்ச்சிகளை பகவான் கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கிறது. பானாசுரன் அடக்கி உஷாவுக்கும் அனிருத்தனுக்கும் திருக்கல்யாணம். தென் நரகாசுரன் அடக்கி 16,100 கன்னிகளை பகவான் திருக்கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கிறது. இதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து நாரதர் வந்து ரகஸ்த தர்மத்தை பகவான் அனுஷ்டிக்கிறாரான் 16,100 வீடுகள் வந்து பார்த்துட்டு போறது. அதுக்கப்புறம் குச்சேல உபாக்கியானம், குருக்ஷேத்திர யாத்திரை, சந்தான கோபால உபாக்கியானம், ராஜசூய யாகம், ரைட், ராஜசூய யாகம் அப்படி வரும். இத்தனை கடைசியில வந்து this is up to that. நாளைக்கு தான் வந்து பகவான் வந்து சொர்க்காரோகணம் போறது. அதெல்லாம் நாளைக்கு ஏகாதச ஸ்கந்தத்துல வரும். So இப்படி இருக்கே, first he gives in this there are 100 ways we can analyze this Dasamaskandam. Dasamaskandam is Bhagavadatoda Hridayam. So Bhutana assumes the form of mother, right? She gives அவரோட இது கொடுக்குறா. She breastfeed Krishna. So that's so even though it is poison, so he assume அம்மா பாவத்துல பார்த்து பூதனைக்கு மோட்சம், சகடாசுர பஞ்சரம், திருணாவர்தவதம், அப்புறம் நவநீத சௌரியம். கிருஷ்ணர் வந்து he goes to stealing the butter. You can take நவநீத சௌரியம் and then talk about it the whole day. So when he was caught red-handed in someone's house, like Krishna had claimed all the way, when he was trying to steal the butter, he was caught red-handed. So the lady of the house asked him, Krishna, what are you doing there? The Krishna said, எங்காத்துல எங்க கண்ணுக்குட்டிய காணோம், ஒருவேளை இது இங்க இருக்கோ இங்க வந்துடுத்தோன்னு பாக்குறேன். My கண்ணுக்குட்டி is missing. Maybe it is there. That is what I was looking for. So this is just one. We can keep saying about several of that. Navanida Choryam, Vrindavana Gocharanam, Brahmamohanam. Garvata, like Kamam, Krodham, Moham, Madam, Matsaryam, Patolya, we all have that, whether we know it or not. We have false pride. I was even Gopikas at some point, I was elbowing with Krishna Samslesham. In this whole Dasamaskandam, if you take how he did Garvabhangam for Brahma, he created identical cows, identical Gopalas. by create Varunanukku Garvabangam, Varunanoda Garvabangam. Similarly, we know when he lifted the Govardhanagiri, Indranoda Garvabangam, right? Akrura even had a slight this thing, such a sacred soul, he thought Krishna is exclusively for me. He taught him a simple lesson. Uddhava is as close as Krishna. In Badrikashramam, during winter months when Krishna was not there, even Uddhava used to be worshipped as a murti. When he went to Vrindavan and told Gopikas, we all need to meditate. So they were kind of surprised. What are we meditating on? Ellathime the Gopikas saw as their epitome of bhakti. Everything they see as Krishna Swarupam. What is there to focus on? They were simply puzzled to see what is going on there, right? So that is when he realized that even though Uddhava is considered such a sacred man, he also learnt a lesson. So you can take Moksham, who all Nagapalakari. He gave Moksham to Nagapalakari. Krishna didn't have money to give. He gave a handful of paddy. So Nagapalaka, even though by the time he brought it from inside to the door, everything is gone. So Nagapalakari knew, he this is Sakshat Paramatma, but he gave Moksham to her also. So you can take Moksham as a topic, Garvabangam as a topic. So Brahma Moganam, Kalinga Nardanam. You all know how he again Garvabangam Salanam. Muralidhara Swamigal Sorache Solluvar, when Krishna was caught with Kalinga, the entire Gopalas, they are all worried. They came and told Nandagopal, this man, there is a Kodiya Pambu, there is a Kalinga and Krishna is caught there. Then Nandagopal tries to go and jump and try to save Krishna. At Balaraman enna pannuvar, he will pull Nandagopal out. Krishnan Sakshat Paramatma, Krishnan he has got this, he has done this. No, he won't say anything. He will say, there are so many elders had come and they had blessed Krishna. Periva Asirvadam. There are so many lessons, I don't know what to say and what not to say. Kalinga Nardanam, Brahma Moganam, Kalinga Nardanam, Venuganam, Rasakride. I will talk briefly about Rasakride because I can't say it in one line. Akrura Agamanam, Kamsavadam. Akrura, when Kamsa dispatched so many Asuras, right? Finally, he didn't know what to do. Then he created a Vyajam Panni. Though we are going to do a Dhanuryagam, under the disguise of Dhanuryagam, he sends Akrura, Parama Bhagavatar, who was longing to see Krishna, to bring Krishna and to Mathura, right? On the way, he saw the footprints of the moment he reached Vrindavan and Gokulam. He saw the footprints of Krishna, right? He was rolling over after he saw the footprints of Krishna in Vrindavan. Such is the sacred soul. So he goes and brings after failed attempts by all the Asuras, finally he brings Krishna to Mathura. And Mathura, then there is Kovalaya Peedam, he kills Kovalaya Peedam, Mushtik and Chanuranoda Sande, then comes Savadam, right? Then Uddhava Sandesham, then that is when I told you, Uddhava goes there and talks to Gopikas. This is Purvadam. Uddharardhatla Rukmini முதல்ல அஷ்ட மகிழ்ச்சிகளை கல்யாணம் பண்றார். நம்ம கடைசி நாள் அன்னைக்கு we will see Rukmini கல்யாணம். We will say simply Rukmini எப்படி through various Pauranikas she heard about Krishna. She wrote 7 slokas. Sudva Gunanu Bhuvana Sandra Sunvadante. இதுல சரணாகதி தத்துவம் இருக்கு. We will see it at the last day. இவ எழுதி கிருஷ்ணர் அதை பார்த்த உடனே ஷோக்கி போயிட்டாராம். மனசாலிய கல்யாணம், காந்தர்வ விவாகம், மனசாலிய கல்யாணம் பண்ணிட்டாராம். அப்புறம் ராட்சச விதிப்படி பாணி கிரகணம் பண்ணிக்கிறார். அப்புறம் வைதிக விதிப்படி 3 கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கிறார். ஸோ ருக்மிணி முதலிய அஷ்ட மகிழ்ச்சிகளை 8 பேர், ருக்மிணி, சத்யபாமா, காளிந்தி. இதை தவிர பானாசுரனை அடக்கி உஷாவும் அனில்துரம் திருக்கல்யாணம், நரகாசுரனை அடக்கி 16,100 கன்னிகளை எல்லாரும் everybody praised the entire month of Margazhi. கிருஷ்ணாவே பர்த்தாவா வரணும், பர்த்தாவா வரணும், பர்த்தாவா வரணும், வந்தேன் வந்தேன். This is Paramatma telling Jivatma, I am your Bharta. This is more than a husband. This is not like a Manushan, a man and a woman marriage, right? This is Jivatma longing for Paramatma. This is Paramatma Jivatma Sambandham. We need to understand that. So, it is not that when a Natigan says, when an atheist says, your Lord had married 16,100 wives. No. If everybody observes Katyayani Vratam and he wants Krishna as Bharta, what will you do? I am there as your Bharta. He says that, right? So, he got them as Bharta. In this Bhagavatam, the Naradar comes and sees 16,100 Krishna Margaret. He splits himself into 16,100 Krishnas and lives in 16,100 houses. Krishna, ஒரு வீட்டுல பிள்ளைக்கு பூனல் போட்டுருக்கார். கிருஷ்ண பிரேம நான் சொல்லுவேன், ஒரு வீட்டுல வந்து 2 குழந்தைகள் சண்டை போட்டு இருக்கு, ஒரு இடத்துல ராஜசபை நடத்திட்டு இருக்கு. So he is performing 16,100 acts and observing கிரகஸ்த தர்மம், ரைட்? அதுக்கப்புறம் ராஜசூய யாகம் பண்ணுவார் இல்லையா, தர்மர் மகாபாரதத்தோட ஸ்மால் இது, அங்க ராஜசூய யாகம் நடக்கும். அதுக்கு வந்து கிருஷ்ணன் தான் அக்ர பூஜை பண்ணணும்னு வரும். The friends of Shishupal, they all object that Krishna should not be given the first puja and all those things. Then Shishupala vadam குச்சேல உபாக்கியானம். குச்சேல உபாக்கியானம் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச உபாக்கியானம். பரமஸ்ரேஷ்டன் பிரசாந்தாத்மா, அப்படி ஒரு அமைதியான ஒரு ஆத்மா, தனக்குன்னு ஒரு சரணாகதன் முதல் நாள் அன்னைக்கு சொன்ன தனக்குன்னு ஒரு சங்கல்பம் கிடையாது. The secret of happiness is நிறைவு. Contentment is the secret of happiness. Many of us miss that. We are never satisfied, right? That is, we learned from Kuchelan. Kuchela Upakhyanam is a topic for 2-3 hours, right? Shishupala vadam, Kuchela Upakhyanam, Kurukshetra Yatrai, Santana Gopala Upakhyanam. இதோட தசமஸ்கந்தம் முடியாது. இதுல வந்து இந்த பாகவதம் இஸ் a பக்தி கிரந்தம். Just like Ramayana is சரணாகதி கிரந்தம், this is பக்தி கிரந்தம். The epitome of bhakti is Gopikas. எப்படி ஆண்டாளுக்கு யாரு, who is the model? எப்படி பண்ணாங்க they followed Katyayani Vradam. Similarly, Andal praised in form of Krishna. They also prayed to Katyayani to do what? Ultimately, Krishna-ve enakku bhartava varanumnu they are doing. We all know the prank when Krishna takes away all their clothes when they were having their bath early morning, when to observe Katyayani Vradam. When Krishna was doing that, what was his age? He was 8 years old or something like that. 7 years he lifted Govardhana hill. People talk badly about the Rasam, the Rasa Panchatyadi, Rasa Leela, Rasopanishad, the various ways. It is the heart of Dasamaskandam. Dasamaskandam is the heart of Bhagavatam, right? Because we said Srimad Bhagavatakyam Pratyaksham Krishna the Swarupam. Ada oru angama paakkarche Hridayam is Dasamaskandam. Adoda idayam the 5 adhyayam Rasa Panchatyadi. So Panchatyayam irukku illaya. So Krishna does prank with the girls just to drive home the point. It is almost like allegorical, just like I said about Puranjana Upakhyanam. Just visualize ourselves as there is Paramatma and Jivatma. He wants to teach a lesson. When you are taking shower, Sarira Prajna irukapadu. Bhagavatathiye munnadi varum. Sugabrahmam, when he was traveling, when gopis or when the ladies are taking bath, they Sarira Prajna illa. Ena Sugabrahmam is Brahmanishta. They don't even worry about whether they were wearing clothes or not, because they see everything as Atma. They don't see as a Kamala Nirmala. They don't see as a Rama Sita. They don't see as humans. They see as Atma Parasparam. Not only humans, right? That is animals and plants. Everything is Atma. So when Krishna did the prank, how old was he? So we have to tell them. Then Krishna says, don't worry, you do your vratam. Someday I will honor it, right? I will honor it. That is when later on he comes as to perform the rasa. He chooses a wonderful full moon night when the flowers have bloomed really well. He chose one nice evening and comes and plays his Venuvadyam. So Venuganam Vasipar, Venuganam, when he was playing, all the gopikas, they leave everything, whatever they perform. Again we have to see the parallel. The sannyasis, when they take sannyasam, they abandon Sharira Prajnaye illa. Bhaktikaga bhakti pannava. Gopika sees everything. This is, they say 4 kinds of bhaktas in Bhagavad Gita. Arthan, Ardharthan, Jignasu, Jnani. Arthan, when you need something, when you are in trouble, you ask something. Ardharthan, constantly ask for money. I am only making 100,000, I need 200,000, I need BMW. This is Ardharthan. Jignasu is, I need moksham. He goes to God every day, I need moksham, right? He is also a beggar. The Jnani is one. பக்திக்காக பக்தி பண்றது. சுவாமி தேசிகன் இருந்தார், பகவான் சொன்னார், I give you Vaikundam. No, I don't want Vaikundam. When I come to Vaikundam, do I see Lord Ranganatha there? Do I see the Garuda Sevai? Can I see his munnalagu, pinnalagu? You don't have all those things. I don't want Vaikundam. பக்திக்காக பக்தி பண்ணாங்க. The Gopikas, they didn't expect anything. No, I want this. Oh, if you don't give me, I asked you don't give me. Yesterday India, I wanted India to win. So all those things, right? So all those things, we always have a reason, but epitome of bhakti. Such is, in the whole Bhagavatam, the Bhagavan shows up, he plays the Venuvadyam, the Venuganam, the Gopikas abandon whatever they were doing and they all come to the floor. And they, at some point, what happened? They also had, the Krishna Samslesham. We saw about Bhagavata Samslesham. There is that, oh man, I am helping Rabos with Kapil Dev. it all gets into our head. We don't even know. We get put it in the Facebook, make other people jealous, knowingly or unknowingly. Our intention may not be just to make other people jealous. We just want to show that I was there with Kapil Dev in the elevator. I went there to the cricket match and all those things, right? Same is, they all had at one point, hey, I am intimate to Krishna. I was rubbing. The moment they had that, Krishna disappeared. Then they had Viragadama. The bereavement is so much because they had intense love. Just like you cannot explain hunger to somebody who is not hungry. If you are not hungry, you cannot explain. If you don't know how, if you are well fed all the time, like 3 வேளை சாப்பிடுறது 4 வேளை சாப்பிடுறவன்ட்டு போய் hunger எப்படிறான்னா அவனுக்கு தெரியாது. He doesn't know what is being hungry. So the bereavement of Gopikas, that the Viragadabam cannot be explained. Such is their intense Viragadabam. Then they were literally in tears. They were singing this Gopika Geetam, most ரொம்ப பிரசித்தம் இந்த Gopika Geetam. So அப்படி பாடின உடனே then Krishna realizes that we have taught them a lesson. He comes there, he appears, and they were all very happy. Then they form a circle. There is a Krishna, there are Gopika this side, another Krishna. So every Gopika felt that they have Krishna exclusively for them, right? So such is the Rasa Leela, Rasa Panchadhyayi. At what age he did? At 8 years. So it is considered like a Upanishad. This is Paramatma Jivatma Sambandham. If any atheist talks bad about this, even you can go and see what Paramacharya had said, how he got his Vairagyam by reading this. Many scholars have said that. So they enjoy that evening. In fact, first time when Gopikas abandoned everything and came, Krishna asked them, you know what is Sri Dharmam? You have abandoned your work for your father-in-law, your husband. So all those Sri Dharmam you abandoned. But no, they said, we Sarira Prajne illa vanduta Krishna Smaranam, Krishnane Gati, Krishna da anda Gati, anda thinking. It is not the love like a human being. It is bhakti kaga bhakti pandrathu, right? Anda bhakti la vanduta. So he honored what he said. You observe this thing. So and the Rasa Leela goes on till early morning hours. So and then this is just like Brahma Mohanam. When they all went back home, Krishna has already created identical gopis, and they were serving their patis, they were serving their mamanars, they were father-in-laws, their father. So they did not, even though they abandoned, Krishna took care of them. So such is the bhakti, epitome of bhakti. எல்லாமே கிருஷ்ண ஸ்வரூபமா பார்த்தா வாழலாம். ஆண்டாள் கல்யாணம் சங்கல்பம் பகவானை கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கணும். I'm just saying a subtle difference. He saw Venkadachalamapati as Ranganatha. He saw Kallazhagar as Azhagar as Ranganatha. So but பாடினதெல்லாம் கிருஷ்ணனை பாடினா இல்லையா? அந்த மாதிரி this is the only aspect I can cover in this. There is so much to cover and what to say and what to see. Again, in Bhakti also I am just conclude with one more minute. There are various ways of doing Bhakti. Nadadur Amman, there was a great, I can say, Mahan. அவர் அம்மா பாவத்தில் பார்த்தார். நடாதுர் அம்மான் எப்படி பேர் வந்ததுன்னா, அவர் when he was doing Naivedyam, one day he found a turumbu in that milk. So he was, after that Naivedyam, Thiruvaradhanam, he realized, இந்த துரும்பு போய் தொண்டையில மாட்டின்றுதுனா, if he gets stuck in his throat, what would have choked. So அபச்சாரப்பட்டுட்டேனே அப்படின்னு அம்மா தன்னுடைய எப்படி தாயார் பாவத்துல பார்த்தார். So ஒரு தாயார் ஒரு பகவானை பார்க்கறது, அந்த அன்புக்கு பேரு வாத்சல்யம். ஒரு நண்பனும் அந்த அன்புக்கு பேரு நட்பு. ஒரு காதலன் காதலிய பார்க்கறது இல்லையா, அதுதான் காதல்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. man in love with a girl, we call that அன்பு as காதல். ஒரு பக்தன் பகவானை பார்க்கறதுக்கு பேரு பக்தி. That is, sorry if I have not translated all of them in English. So there is the same thing. The underlying thread is the same. The bhavam, there are many. The vatsalya bhavam, sakya bhavam, right? So those are all the bhavam. Bhavam is more important. So with this I conclude today's satsangam. Shri Yada Tappa Sodana Samikanam Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno Yatra Bhagavad Dhanudraha Tatra Sri Vijayam. So Gopika Jeevana Smaranam Govinda Narayan.